Top 5 online earning website without investment. Online earning website is the easiest way to earn money in today's digital world. There are many more possibilities of using tools and services that will give you another way to earn money from your home. Most of these are through online website or mobile application, which is preferred source of quick income. We highly recommended some websites because they are most reliable, legal, simple, and time worthy of online making money. Also, these sites are tested by thousands of online users who guarantee that these sites are a permanent source of earning online money due to their usability and pay methods. Here is a list of some trusted online earning websites for you. First one in Amazon. You can easily earn money by becoming an affiliate, Amazon affiliate. As you know, Amazon is a very big e-commerce website. Therefore, the possibility of this product being sold is also high. You can create your Amazon associate account for free. You can create your Amazon associate account for free by visiting Amazon affiliate program. While registering, then ask you for a website link. If you don't have any website, then you can also link your Facebook page. After the account is created, you have to promote the affiliate link of the product you want to sell. As soon as the project is purchased from your link, you get a fixed commission for it. Second one is Upwork. Upwork is the best money earning site that give you lot of tools to make money from the internet. Is the fastest and simplest way. Be it website designing, blog writing, sales, marketing, or accounting, etc. The Upwork platform gives you space and network to build your technical skills. At Upwork, the percentage of what you earning is calculated on the basis of how much you earn from the contractor. For instance, for the first $500 you will bill to client, sites will take a 20% commission. Then from 500 to $10,000, Upwork take a only 10% commission. Then after earning over $10,000, Upwork will take only 5% commission. The third one is Mishu. Mishu is one of the fastest growing platform in the world of reselling. With Mishu, you can easily earn 25,000 to 30,000 rupees a month. This app is available for both type of people. If you have a product and want to sell it, then you can join it as a supplier. If you don't have any product, then you can join a reseller. The best thing is this will be that whatever product you will be delivered in the name of your own brand. If you have mobile phone and internet, then you can create your store in minutes. It is available only for Indian customers. Fiverr is the freelancing online earning website that promote professional like logo design, social media posters, voiceover, typing work, etc. for various companies and clients. It is the easiest way to earn money starting from a $5 gig, out of which $1 is charged by Fiverr for using this service. Any person with minimum skill can use this Fiverr and effortlessly earn up to $100 or more per hour. All you have to do is list up services that you offer and get an order. Once the order is done, you can get paid and get win from more orders. Here $5 winning streak for everyone. Swagbucks. Swagbucks is one of the great online survey sites. When you register for free, you will get a $10 welcome bonus. To earn points, you can choose from topics like talking surveys, online shopping, watch videos, play games, discover deals, etc.